Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to convert a Google Sheet to a PDF using both Google Sheets and Excel. We'll also look at a practical example with data to make it clearer. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Sheet that you want to convert to a PDF. In this example, we'll be working with a sales report containing some sample data. Open Google Sheets and display the document. Example data. Create a basic table with columns labeled student name, gender, extracurricular activity, major. Next, let's download this Google Sheet as an Excel file so we can convert it to a PDF in Excel. To do this, go to File at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File in the Google Sheets menu. Navigate to Download. Select Microsoft Excel.xlsx. Choose Microsoft Excel.xlsx from the download options. Your Google Sheet will now download as an Excel file, which we'll open next. Once the download completes, let's open the file in Excel. Show the downloaded file in the Downloads folder. Double-click to open it in Excel, showing the same table as it appears now in Excel. Now you should see the sales report we downloaded from Google Sheets in Excel format. From here, let's move on to converting this file into a PDF. To convert this Excel file into a PDF, follow these steps. Go to File on the Excel menu bar. Select Save As or Export, depending on your version of Excel. Choose PDF as the file format. In the Save As Type drop-down, select PDF as the file format. You'll have the option to adjust settings such as saving the entire workbook or just one sheet. Set options for PDF customization such as entire workbook or active sheet only. Adjust page layout to ensure data fits well on each PDF page. Click Save. Make sure the page layout settings work for your document. Adjusting to fit data can be useful when printing or sharing your PDF. After saving, go to the folder where the PDF was saved and open it to ensure it looks correct. Show the saved PDF file in the File Explorer. Double-click to open and preview the PDF, scrolling to show the data clearly. Here's our completed PDF. Now you can easily share or print this document without needing Excel or Google Sheets. In just a few steps, we converted our Google Sheet to a PDF using Excel. Let's recap those steps. Download your Google Sheet as an Excel file, open it in Excel, and then save it as a PDF. This is a quick and effective way to create shareable documents in PDF format. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.